everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 23rd to the 27th of January 2023 on Monday. Nomsa grows suspicious of Nkosi's motive while Neo insists on hanging out with Soga and Honor on Tuesday. Nkosi squirms out of telling Shoki the real reason he made peace with Faith. Meanwhile, Neo sized Soga up on Wednesday. Alex offers Neo his job back, wanting to up the end, while Nomsa tried to convince Faith to use their own fabric on Thursday. Shoki worries about the impact of Nkosi's decision on Nomsa, while Funani gets an idea from Ria on Friday. Nomsa and Faith puts finishing touches on their dresses, while Funani makes a move that shocks both Les and Nkosi. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.